Picture the sun, a fiery orb in the sky, radiating energy across space. But there's more to this celestial body than meets the eye. The sun, in all its blazing glory, is the powerhouse of our solar system. It fuels life on Earth, drives our climate, and orchestrates the rhythm of the cosmos. Yet the sun also has a tempestuous side, one that often goes unnoticed. Imagine the sun as a colossal furnace constantly churning, boiling, and bubbling. Deep within its fiery belly, a process known as nuclear fusion occurs. Here, hydrogen atoms collide and fuse together, creating helium and releasing an immense amount of energy. This energy, in the form of light and heat, takes about 8 minutes to journey nearly 93 million miles to reach our planet. But the sun doesn't just bathe us in light and warmth. It also emits a continuous stream of charged particles known as the solar wind. This wind, invisible to the naked eye, sweeps across the solar system at a staggering speed of about 1 million miles per hour. Occasionally, the sun experiences outbursts, hurling billions of tons of plasma into space at incredible speeds. These eruptions, known as solar storms or space weather, can send shockwaves throughout the solar system. Solar storms are not a new phenomenon. They have been occurring for billions of years, long before life on Earth began. However, in our modern, technologically dependent society, these solar tempests have the potential to wreak havoc. They can disrupt satellite communications, interfere with GPS signals, and even cause widespread power outages. Yet, despite their potential to cause chaos, solar storms also bring about one of nature's most stunning spectacles, the auroras. These mesmerizing light shows seen near the poles are a direct result of solar particles colliding with Earth's magnetic field. The sun, therefore, is not just a life-giving star, it's a force of nature, a celestial dynamo with the power to both create and disrupt. And in 2024, we are poised to witness a solar storm that could change everything. To appreciate the significance of a solar storm, we must first understand the science behind it. Our sun, the glowing orb that breathes life into Earth, is a ball of superheated gas. This gas churns and swirls, generating a magnetic field that extends far into space. Occasionally, the sun's magnetic field lines get twisted and tangled, leading to the release of a tremendous amount of energy, in the form of solar flares and coronal mass ejections, collectively known as solar storms. Solar flares, the most violent explosions in our solar system, can release as much energy as 1 billion atomic bombs in just a few minutes. These flares emit intense bursts of radiation across the entire electromagnetic spectrum, from radio waves to X-rays. Coronal mass ejections, on the other hand, are giant bubbles of gas and magnetic field lines ejected from the sun over several hours. These ejections can carry over 10 billion tons of plasma. That's equivalent to the weight of about 70 million blue whales. These solar storms race across space at millions of miles per hour, and when they reach Earth, they interact with our planet's magnetic field. This interaction can cause a geomagnetic storm, leading to beautiful auroras, but also potentially harmful effects on our technology. Just picture this: Earth's magnetic field acting like a shield, deflecting the incoming storm. But some energy slips through, flowing along the magnetic field lines towards the poles. This energy can excite atoms in our atmosphere, leading to the mesmerizing light show we call the Northern and Southern Lights. However, the same energy can also create electric currents in our atmosphere and on the ground. These currents can overload power grids, disrupt communication networks, and even degrade pipelines. The stronger the solar storm, the stronger these effects can be. As we delve deeper into the mysteries of the sun, we realize the potential for both wonder and unprecedented challenges. Understanding the science behind solar storms allows us to better prepare for their impact, ensuring that we can continue to thrive in an increasingly technologically dependent world. It opens up a universe of possibilities, both awe-inspiring and humbling, as we stand on the threshold of the cosmos. The year 2024 marks a significant event in our relationship with the sun. A celestial dance of epic proportions is set to unfold as our star releases a solar storm, a powerful burst of energy hurtling towards Earth at incredible speeds. The sun, our life-giving star, is not always as tranquil as it appears from our blue planet. It is a seething ball of hot plasma constantly in motion. Occasionally, it ejects billions of tons of charged particles into space. These ejections are known as solar storms or coronal mass ejections, and they can have profound effects on our planet. In 2024, we are expecting a solar storm of significant magnitude. Space agencies and experts have been closely monitoring the sun's activity, gathering data and making predictions about this upcoming storm. The storm's strength, its path, and its potential impact on Earth are all subjects of intense study and speculation. What makes the 2024 solar storm unique? It's all about timing and intensity. The Sun has an 11-year cycle of solar activity, known as the solar cycle. The peak of this cycle, called solar maximum, is when the Sun is most active and solar storms are most likely. The 2024 solar storm is expected to occur at the next solar maximum, making it a particularly powerful event. The potential implications of the 2024 solar storm are diverse and far-reaching. From disruptions to satellite communications and power grids to spectacular auroras lighting up the night sky, the effects of the storm will likely be felt around the globe. But it's not all doom and gloom. Solar storms also present unique opportunities for scientific discovery and exploration. They allow us to study the Sun and its interactions with our planet in unprecedented detail, deepening our understanding of these celestial phenomena. As we stand on the brink of this cosmic event, the question remains, how prepared are we? The answer to that question may well determine our experience of the 2024 solar storm, shaping not just our scientific knowledge but also our everyday lives. In our technologically driven world, a solar storm poses a unique set of challenges. Solar storms, also known as space weather events, are not merely stunning cosmic phenomena. They can have real, tangible impacts here on Earth, particularly on our technology. Think about satellite communications. They are the invisible threads that connect our world, enabling everything from GPS systems to international phone calls. But these satellites are directly in the line of fire when a solar storm hits. Intense solar radiation can damage these delicate instruments, leading to disruptions in communication services. Alongside satellites, power grids are another crucial technology at risk. These systems are designed to operate within specific electrical parameters. However, a solar storm can induce extra electrical currents in these grids, potentially overloading them and causing widespread power outages. Imagine, if you will, major cities plunged into darkness, with everything from traffic lights to hospitals losing power. In addition to these, many other technologies are also susceptible. For instance, the radiation from a solar storm can increase the drag on low Earth orbit satellites, shortening their lifespan. It can interfere with radio communications, affecting everything from amateur radio to certain types of navigation systems. These effects are not just hypothetical. They have happened before. Major solar storms in the past have caused significant disruptions, reminding us of our reliance on technology and our vulnerability to space weather. But it's not all doom and gloom. Understanding these potential impacts is the first step towards mitigating them. Scientists and engineers around the globe are working tirelessly to develop strategies and technologies to protect our systems from the effects of solar storms. From hardening satellite designs to improving the resilience of power grids, efforts are underway to ensure our world can weather the storm. The vulnerability of our modern world to space weather underscores the need for preventive measures. As we continue to unravel the mysteries of the Sun and its solar storms, we are not just exploring the cosmos, we are safeguarding our future. Preparation is key when facing a phenomenon as powerful as a solar storm. In the face of such a formidable cosmic event, scientists and engineers are working tirelessly to develop strategies and technologies to protect our world and its technology. You see, the magnetic field of our Earth is our primary line of defense against these solar storms, acting as a shield that deflects most of the Sun's harmful radiation. However, with the increasing reliance on technology and electronic systems, even a minor disruption can have major implications for our society. To mitigate these risks, scientists are developing advanced forecasting models to predict solar storm activity with greater accuracy. Just like how meteorologists predict weather patterns on Earth, these models can provide us with valuable time to prepare and protect our electronic infrastructure. Engineers, on the other hand, are working on hardening our technology against the potential impacts of a solar storm. This could involve designing satellites and power grids to withstand the increased radiation, or developing backup systems that can kick in if our primary technology fails. But it's not just about reactive measures. Proactive steps are being taken as well. For instance, space agencies are planning missions to study the Sun more closely. By understanding our star better, we can improve our ability to predict and respond to solar storms. In addition to these scientific and technological efforts, we all have a role to play in preparing for the solar storm. This includes staying informed about the latest developments, understanding the potential impacts of a solar storm, and being ready to respond in case of any disruptions. The 2024 solar storm is a reminder of the immense power and beauty of our cosmic environment. It's a call to action for us to better understand our sun, to protect our planet, and to prepare for the future. So, as we gear up for the 2024 solar storm, remember to stay informed, stay vigilant, and most importantly, marvel at the wonders of our cosmic environment. Don't forget to subscribe and like our video for more insightful content.